Hi there, hope you're all doing well. This week's Zombicide Undead or Alive mini is Charles from the Dead West set. He was black and white zenithally primed, and I get started with reddish grey as the shadow colour for his jacket and hat. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. You could also join Discord using the link in the description, where you can share anything you have been working on. Next up, I give his face a couple of coats of sunny skin tone. To add the mid-tone to the jacket and hat, I grabbed warm grey and went over pretty much everything, just leaving that darker tone where there would be some shadow. For his hair and shirt, and a slight highlight on the jacket, a silver grey. There is some trim around his shoulders that gets done with Death Reaper, along with his gloves and shoes. Next up, all of the remaining clothing gets base coated with Ashen grey. The base, as with all my current Zombicide minis, gets done with Plague Brown. Since I had this out, I also done the wooden parts on the rifle. To add a highlight to the Ashen grey parts, I used Field Grey. Getting all the metal parts done, I went for plate armour over everything. Adding a wash to the Mini, I went with a thin down wash of Oblivion black wash over everything. Finishing up, I added some sandy desert texture to the base. And that will be it for Charles. I'm not sure if I like how the jacket came out. I think the wash might have made it worse than just leaving it. So it's entirely up to you if you want to take it or leave it. Next time if I do this, I will probably just leave it. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. You can also join Discord using the link in the description, where you can share anything you have been working on. As always, if you want a closer look at this mini, check out my Instagram page. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. Most importantly though, be kind to each other.